Второй класс, английский язык. Домашнее задание, страница 68-69. English Spotlight 2. I can jump. Homework page 68-69. Good morning, my dear friends. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I am your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. Nice to meet you. 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 I'm so glad to meet you. Thank you. I'm glad to meet you. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Look at the picture, please. Exercise number 1, page number 68. Look at the picture. Прослушай диалог и прочитай его. Chuckles, Chuckles, where are you? Look, there's Chuckles in the tree. Can you climb the tree, Larry? No, I can't. Look, who's that? Haha, it's a girl chimp. Look, Nanny. 2 chimps, a boy and a girl. Yes, Chuckles. And Cherry. Haha, oh dear. Boys and girls, we must read dialogue. Repeat after me. Chuckles. Chuckles, where are you? Look, there's Chuckles in the tree. Can you climb the tree, Larry? No, I can't. Look, who's that? Haha, it's a girl chimp. Look, Nanny. 2 chimps, a boy and a girl. Yes, Chuckles and Cherry. Ha. Oh dear. We must do exercise number 2. Прочитай диалог еще раз и выбери правильный ответ. Larry can't climb the tree. The answer: Larry can't climb the tree. My dear friends, open the books, please, page number 69. Exercise number 3. Спой песенку, сопровождая движениями. We must read this rhyme and repeat after me. Повторяем за мной. Can you fly? Can you fly? Can you fly? No, I can't. Can you climb? Can you climb? Can you climb? Yes, I can. Can you climb like a chimp? Can you fly like a bird? Can you climb? Yes, I can. Can you fly? No, I can't. My dear friends, the lesson is over. Goodbye.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your king. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. Wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas